Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for the Asus FA506N, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having these tools ready will make your job much easier. Start by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. To ensure your safety, it's advisable to wear an anti-static wrist strap. This will help prevent any static electricity from damaging the internal components. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all the screws located on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily misplaced. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious to avoid damaging any of the internal components during this step. With the back cover removed, locate the display connector. This is usually situated near the hinges of the screen. You'll need to disconnect this cable carefully. If you find it difficult, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be helpful if you're unsure about any step. Now, focus on the screen itself. There are typically several screws holding the screen to the laptop chassis. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. After all screws are taken out, gently pull the screen away from the laptop. Make sure to disconnect any remaining cables attached to the screen. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop while it's open, now is a great time to clean it up. A can of compressed air works wonders for blowing out dust from fans and other components. Keeping your laptop clean can enhance its performance and longevity. Before we install the new screen, let's talk about sourcing one. Make sure to purchase a compatible screen that matches your Asus FA506N model. Check online retailers or local computer parts stores for the best options. Once you have your new screen ready, connect it to the laptop by attaching the display connector first. Then, align the new screen with the screw holes in the chassis and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed for your convenience, allowing you to avoid the hassle of travel. After the new screen is secured, carefully reattach the back cover of the laptop. Make sure all edges are firmly pressed down to ensure a proper seal. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to prevent any damage. Finally, plug your laptop back in, power it on, and check that everything is functioning correctly. It's always a good idea to test the new screen for any issues before considering the job complete. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We aim to provide transparent and fair pricing for all our repair services. With that, you've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus FA506N. Enjoy your newly refreshed laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.